Let's talk about why people lose motivation during their weight loss journey. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you don't want it badly enough. It usually comes down to 4 key reasons. And once you understand them, you can start fixing them. Reason 1. Unrealistic expectations. A lot of people start thinking they'll drop 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Maybe they saw it on social media. Maybe they've done a crash diet in the past and expect the same results. Here's the truth. Sustainable fat loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Anything faster than that is usually water or muscle, not real. Lasting fat loss. When the scale doesn't drop fast enough, frustration kicks in. You start doubting the process. You think you're doing something wrong. And that doubt leads to quitting. But the problem isn't you. It's your expectations. Your body isn't a robot. It responds to stress, sleep, hydration, hormones, a dozen variables. Expecting massive results in a short time sets you up to feel like a failure, even when you're making real progress. That's why you need to shift your focus. Stop obsessing over the outcome. Start focusing on what you can control. Hitting your workouts, hitting your protein target, getting 7 hours of sleep. These habits are repeatable, and they're what lead to results. Reason 2. No visible progress tracking. When you don't track progress, it feels like nothing is happening. No data means no feedback. You could be making huge strides, lifting heavier, losing inches, feeling better, but if the scale isn't moving, your brain thinks you're failing. Progress isn't always obvious day to day. That's why tracking matters. Keep it simple. Weekly progress photos, waist measurements, logging workouts, tracking energy, sleep, and mood. When you see that you lifted more weight this week, when your pants fit better, that's a win. And wins build momentum. Without that, your brain starts asking, why am I even doing this? And that's when people quit. Progress tracking keeps your eyes on the bigger picture. It reminds you that change is happening, even when the scale doesn't cooperate. Reason 3. No clear game plan. A lot of people start by copying whatever they see online. Random workouts, trendy diets, cut carbs, then bring them back. Intermittent fasting 1 week, paleo the next. No structure, no direction. And when there's no plan, everything feels overwhelming. You start second-guessing everything. Am I eating too much? Too little? Do I need more cardio? Am I screwing it all up? That mental fatigue leads to inaction. You feel stuck. And when you're stuck, motivation disappears. The fix is simple. Build a plan that fits your life. It doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be clear. Know your goal. Understand your calorie needs. Create a workout schedule that's sustainable. Adjust as you go. When you have direction, you move forward. And when you know what to do next, motivation stays alive. Reason 4. The all-or-nothing mindset. This is the most common motivation killer I see. You start off perfect. Meal prep on Sunday. Nail your workouts. Drink all the water. Everything's on track. Then life hits. You miss one workout. You eat one off-plan meal. And suddenly, your brain goes, well, I blew it. Might as well start over next week. That mindset is toxic. It turns a single misstep into a total relapse. Progress doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. One missed workout doesn't erase a week of effort. One slice of pizza doesn't ruin your fat loss. What matters is what you do next. You have to switch from all or nothing to always something. On tough days, a 20-minute walk is better than nothing. A protein shake is better than skipping the meal. Showing up in a small way keeps you in the game. Those small wins maintain your identity. I'm someone who shows up, no matter what. And that identity builds unshakable motivation. Let's wrap it up. People lose motivation because their expectations are unrealistic. They don't track progress. They don't have a clear plan. They fall into the all-or-nothing trap. The good news? Every one of those is fixable. You can reset your expectations. You can track real, visible progress. You can follow a plan that makes sense for your lifestyle. And you can stop chasing perfection and start showing up consistently. That's how you stay in the game. That's how you win.